Hello, welcome to my channel Sewing with Mary Rose. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embroider tea towels with 3 different embroidery machines. Today, I am using my thread spool stand here with my Viking Husqarvana Topaz 40. I am also using my Brother PE800 and I'm using a Janome MB4. Here you could see stitch out on my Topaz 40. It's almost finished. I also want to point out that this does do jump stitches, and that was one of the reasons I purchased this machine. I did buy it used, and you could see in my other video what I think of it. Here is the whole program on Embrilliance, and that is where I uploaded it to. I purchased this design from Designs by Juju, and you could see that in the link below. I'm ironing my tea towels here, and I use the Cricut EasyPress 2. It's nice and easy, and it has a timer on it. My MB4 did have some issues. I have not used this machine in about 3 weeks or so, so I had forgotten what I stitched on it last, so I had to take care of some things. You could see I had some bobbin issues, I had some tension issues. I'm thinking I was doing a quilt last time I used it, or a hat. I just can't really remember. Now that I've almost completed fixing the bobbin and the tension, I'm trying it again, and it does turn out nice, but it did take some time. So this design is a little chick getting out of an egg, and these are all Easter designs for this coming weekend. I'm using a sketch design so that it would just stitch out faster, and it is a tea towel, so all of these designs are tea towels, so I'm going to get a lot of use out of them, and I wanted them to be done quickly, and I didn't want to put a lot of time into them since they will be used quite a bit. I'm going to save them for next year and all the years to come for Easter. I do suggest using high quality digitized designs, and again, Designs by Juju I've found makes beautiful designs. I've also used Stitchtopia, which I also love, and I believe both of those are linked in the comments below. This had a thread shred, so I stopped the machine and rethreaded. After I got it going again, things came out pretty nice. This lettering that I have chosen to use on this machine is really beautiful. I'm not remembering what font this is, but I believe this is another Designs by Juju. When you're doing tea towels, you want to make sure not to cut jump stitches, otherwise you are going to have a tangled mess on the back of your towel. Now I'm cutting jump stitches from this design that I did, and this was on my Viking. Tell me which one you like best. This was on the PE800, this cute chickie was on the MB4, and this carrot and egg I did on my Viking Husqarvana Topaz 40. I hope you liked this video. If you'd like to see more, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I really thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.